Got a Volkswagen Golf generation 2003. Have to find OBD plugs. OBD plugs. Inji Velese Parama. Velese Parama. This is Volkswagen 2003. So this one Golf. And then I don't know what type of engine. So to be sure, come and up. There's a plate cut here. It's saying what is that? Okay. LA7W probably PFQ. Let's see what's in there. LA7W PFQ 1.6. Này chỗ này nó không 1.6 đó mà 1.6 PFQ. Okay, engine management. Still need to be determined to correctly identify this system. Which ignition on? Yes. Code only. Make sure ignition on. Okay, coolant fan control 2 circuit, short to ground, coolant temperature sensor. Okay, auto sensor back one. Okay, so save the code. Clear. Okay, turn the vehicle off and start again. So there's no more code, but you still have to check what caused it. You still have to check what caused it. Gotta check back to previous data, view safe data, go to this first one. Okay, coolant temperature sensor at the radiator outlet. So let's see, make sure we have coolant in the radiator, and then we know that O2 sensor is not, O2 sensor back one, sensor one is not functioning well. So yeah, that's all we need to check.